Hi everyone, welcome back to Seoul Bite. Today we're going to make something really delicious called Gamja-jeon, or shredded potato pancakes. It's been raining quite a bit since this morning here in Washington State, and in Korea we crave savory pancakes like this on rainy days. For today's recipe, I prepared 4 Yukon Gold potatoes, some cooking oil, and green onions. I'm also using 1 tablespoon of Korean pancake mix and 1 teaspoon of salt. But if you don't have Korean pancake mix, regular flour works perfectly fine too. And as an optional twist to make it extra savory, I've sliced up about 1/3 of a cup of bacon. Let's prepare for the dipping sauce. We'll need 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a little bit of finely chopped green onions. We're going to combine all of these to create the perfect sauce. First, let's get the potatoes ready. Go ahead and peel them. After peeling, we're going to slice them up. You can use a knife, but I'm using a mandolin slicer today to get them even thinner. Slicing them thin makes the pancakes much crispier and more delicious. For your safety, make sure to stick a fork into the potato as you see on the screen while using the slicer. If you have a small piece left, just reposition the fork and keep going. Any remaining bits that can't be sliced can just be chopped up with a knife. Once the potatoes are sliced, place them in a bowl and cover them with water for about 10 minutes to let the starch out. While we wait for the potatoes, we can chop the green onions. After enough starch has been removed, drain the potatoes through a strainer. If you look at the screen, you can see the starchy water that's left behind. Give the shredded potatoes a quick rinse with water, put them back in the bowl, and then strain them one more time to get all the water out. While the potatoes are draining, let's put the dipping sauce together. Just combine all the ingredients we prepared earlier. If you like things a bit spicy, feel free to add some Korean chili powder. Make sure to stir it well until all the sugar is completely dissolved. Now, put the drained potatoes into a large bowl and add the pancake mix along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together so the flour coats everything evenly. Then toss in the green onions and give it one last good mix. Next, add a generous amount of oil to a preheated frying pan. We're going to make a large pancake this time. Cook it over medium heat and spread those bacon toppings evenly on top. You could actually mix the bacon into the batter earlier, but this time I'm trying to make it look a bit more decorative by placing the bacon right on top. Once it's cooked a bit, press it down as flat as possible and flip it over. Keep cooking until it's perfectly done. This time I am trying to make a decorative pancake. This style is good for potluck. Just make a round shape. Cook with middle heat. Put bacon topping on it and flip it over. Just keep cooking until it's evenly cooked. Now, let's try making some bite-sized pieces too. Just scoop a little bit of the potato mix at a time. Add some bacon once it starts to cook, and then flip them over to finish. Once everything is well cooked, just move them to a plate and you're all set. It's finished. You can enjoy these by dipping them into the sauce. For the larger pancake, you can place the soy sauce on the side or right in the middle. This is a great dish to bring to a potluck at work or in your neighborhood. Enjoy your meal, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.